Tony, what's going on? Oh, tired this morning. Today feels like I gotta wear my glasses today. Eyes are kind of straining already. Yeah, I don't know if it's because I'm tired or what, but okay. Bask. What's going on? Good, I'm good. Had to play Arc Raiders all weekend. Well, not really. I had a bunch of stuff to do this weekend, but got to play it. I really liked it. Looking forward to it coming out at the end of the year. End of the year. End of the month. End of the year, though. That would really suck. Let me take a quick look at my fantasy tonight. Oh wow, San Francisco beat Atlanta 20-10. That means Bijan probably didn't have a very good game. Jesus, Christian McCaffrey went off again. 129 yards, 2 rushing touchdowns, 72 reception yards. That dude is just a workhorse. I still can't believe Jonathan Taylor and the year he's having. Insane. I remember I only had one draft where I almost got him, like early round 2. Other than that, he's been a beast. Yeah, his what 13, 30, 33, 15, 32, 23, 34. That's just crazy. Dude, it's CMC over here. His lines up 23, 23, 24, 26, 28, 25, 40. That's crazy. Just racking it up. It's all because of his receptions out of the backfield.
That don't make no sense.
That don't make no sense. Double header again tonight. Yeah, I know. It's a great day in the neighborhood. I have a double header softball tonight. What time the game is actually. Why don't we play on that? Would you call me? When I clicked on your stream, an ad for Warrior Trading came up. I think I made you weird. That's funny. You ever notice that guy, Lance Bernstein? I don't exactly remember his last name. But that guy's always talking about how he's like 8 figures, yada, yada, yada. And yet he's advertising super hard to sell this course that he has. And it was like produced like these ads. So it's like he's obviously putting some like actual money into it. And it's like, bro, if you were making this much from trading and whatnot, like, why are you selling courses, bro? And I saw a thing on Twitter or X too that apparently he may have lied about his actual earnings and like who he worked for and stuff like that. It'd be interesting if somebody does like a deep dive into him. Wow, Bijan still had a good game. 1 point. I agree, it's Shireen out of the goodness of their hearts. Exactly. Josh, good morning. Challenge account, challenge account. Should I open you up? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. But do I trade you today? I don't know. I woke up this morning and when I was opening everything up, I was like, man, I feel like I haven't traded in forever. I guess maybe because I was off Friday. I don't know. It was weird. It was like that weird feeling you have like after a week of not trading because you go on vacation or something. I do want to log in at least just to make sure everything's switched over to the funded account. Yeah, it did. Josh, good morning. You resting up? You know, I picked up Aaron Rodgers. Yes, the Aaron Rodgers this week because you were on bye. And he performed better than you any week that you've played. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that? Does it make you feel a little awkward? Feel a little awkward? Well, I guess it's time for me to step it up. Better. Better, sir. Oh, we might do a giveaway today, by the way. Wink, wink. I got my trade day account giveaway. Oh. Oh. I got 2 accounts to give away. 50K and 150K. Rare. Maybe I'll do one on X. I could use a trade day account. Well, and I have an opportunity. I've got 2 accounts to give away. I'll probably do the 50. Maybe I'll do the 50K for everybody, and then the 150K for the members. Abby Sheck, what's going on, man? Good morning. I feel like every time I go on my Funded Futures chat and say hi, nobody responds to me anymore. I used to look forward to you saying hi to me every morning. Just FYI, I'm approaching 1 million. On what? Oh, the gambling? Oh, you're killing me, bro. I had dismissed that. Let me go delete that channel real quick. I didn't know you were still trying. That one's probably going to come out of my pocket. That's fine. I do it. Oh, yeah, look at you. Points do you have? Good morning, Abby. I'll just start calling you Abby. I now gave you a nickname. I should just delete that gambling channel once you're done. Nobody uses it. You still play Wordle? I don't think you don't have to be in that channel to play it though, I don't think. Hey. How many points are you at now? I mean, it don't matter. You guys see Toronto and Seattle are going to game 7? Crazy. Hey, getting there. I have no idea how long it took you to get there, but Good morning. How was golf? It went, dude. I didn't realize certain parts of my body could be so sore. Same day too. It was so sore. I shot a 103, which I thought during the round, the way I was shooting, it was going to be a lot worse than that. But I feel like saying 103 isn't like that bad, is it? I mean, I know it's not great, right? But like 103 is not bad. Like I was expecting to be in like the 120s. I did lose a few balls. Trader's Nest, good morning. I am good, sir. How are you? Hopefully everybody had a good weekend. Got 2 giveaways this maybe today. Maybe I'll split it between today and tomorrow. I got 2 giveaway accounts from Trade Day. I hate people on X and stuff like when they're like, "Oh, I'm halfway to a payout and I made this much" and stuff. Like I feel like that kind of stuff is pointless because it's very misleading. Because they can have a really good day and then they can have a really bad day and like blow all the accounts, and if they don't post that they blew all the accounts, then it just looks like they're doing really well. But then when you scroll back and see that they're not like posting like actual payouts, like, well, you keep posting that you're having really good days. Like, where's the payouts? And it's like, it just gets old. It just gets old. We're talking about adding crypto futures. God. Way better than what I was doing. Also very well, thank you. Of course, man. I took my dog out and missed the 645 bounce. Also got in 641 and hesitated. Oh, almost got. But I am up 400 from Sunday night. Let's go. Six, one. Better trade would have been here. One of these 2 candles. Nice little push down through 50. Great, but nice rebound too. Yeah, I see what you're saying. The 645, yeah. Yeah, that one was pretty nice. Nao. Good morning, sir. Alright. Sorry, I was finishing up something. Oh, I got the dentist today. Softball today. Tired. I saw volume increase on the way up there through 100. Nothing crazy. This is a boring morning. Sorry. Exclamation point Arc Raiders. Did you play it all last night? I played until I don't know, it was like 1 o'clock. It was just PvP, nonstop PvP for like the last 3 hours. Got into some pretty awesome fights. It was pretty cool. I feel like the fights we were getting in were unrealistic because it was like we'd show up and third party, another 2 teams that were fighting, and then we would get third partied, and then there'd be another like we all kept meeting like at the same places every single map. It was pretty crazy. Don, it is. It's on I think like all platforms, like all major platforms, and you can crossplay. See if there's any news today. Not really. Like some small stuff, but I'll tell you, if they bring crypto to prop firms, there's going to be some craziness going on with people trading Bitcoin. I'd probably try it. Bitcoin's so volatile. Yeah, Don, it was just a play test though. So you'd have to wait until it comes out, and then now you would have to buy it. Game Pass? I don't know. Need he? Good morning. The National Oyster Festival competition held 5 minutes from my house. How many oysters did you each count? Eleven. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
That don't make no sense.
That don't make no sense. Sorry, it is such a boring day. We get marbles up and rolling.
Run.
It's just regular fart.
Welcome to the jungle, bitch!
Gay!
That was
Dude, I'm just
legitness.
dancing. You don't have to call me gay.
He needs some milk.
I do feel like I need some.
You gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
Exclamation point, marbles, get a bed. You got 10 minutes. Oh, oh wow, good morning. I'm actually gonna trade here. It wants to make a move up through the current highs. Yeah. Be right back. Exclamation point, marbles, get him in. Exclamation point marbles. I'll give you like 1 more minute. All right, I was talking to my wife. My Bluetooth disconnect. There we go. Ooh. All right, get everybody entered, and then we'll run the mabas. Morning, Z. I gave Arc Raiders another go. Played it solo. It was actually fun. It was a lot of fun. It'll definitely be my game of choice for a while. I haven't really gamed that much, but I can see myself playing that at least for a little bit every day. Johnny, I don't know if you got in or not. I don't think you did. Sorry, man. You're going to have to wait until after market open. I want to try to get in as many as I can. It's not like anybody's going to win anyway, right? Nayo. Going for it. Ooh. Stay away lasers. This might have a shot. First race of the day. Are you kidding me? Let's go. No way. No way. No! The first race. And now watch, we won't even get back to that point ever again today. That's crazy. First race, it did that. Rigged. Don't think that's gonna stay on. Fade the spike. That's actually a pretty cool name. I like it. That's essentially what I'm doing. Fading the spike. Actually, exactly what I'm doing. Excusez-moi. No. All right. On to the next. Not really sure how I want to handle the challenge account. Oh, come on. It was about to go down. Oh, balls to the first. Volatility Vault. Okay, okay. Interesting name. Oh, and he got the slowdown. It's got to hit the right side and bounce back over. Nope. Ooh. Yes! No! Come on. I feel like if it makes it between those two, it should always go on. That's crap. What is going on? Let's go, VOLA. Show them how it's done. Show them how it's done, baby. Or not. Did you enter for the Tradeify challenge? Me? I'm an ambassador for the Tradeify Cup or whatever it's called. What is it called? Tradeify Grand Cup. I'm an ambassador, baby. Code VOLA when you sign up for it. Under ambassador code, you better use code VOLA. Let's go. It's free if you already have an account. Oh, 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 nope. Nope. Need he? Nope. All right. Got at least one more. See how quick this one finishes. Getting a pop up on the chart here. I'm watching it. Through the highs, like maybe 65 or something. I put an order out 64.50. We're about to breach the highs if it gets there. Right at it. Didn't break it just yet. 152 where it got. Current high is 152.50. Where is yesterday's close? It was way down there. 25.33. Probably gonna have to wait for the open to get some crazy move up. Yeah, it's pulling back now. Donald going for it. Let's see what he can do. Oh, that's a big bounce. Holy crap. I don't think I've ever seen one bounce like that. First time I've seen that. Think we're going to hit all-time highs today? When Tradeify does something big, they always partner with bad PR. Yeah. Maybe they're going for the any press is good press motto. Because I agree with you. Trader's Nest. It's going to be probably a while before we get a winner on this one. Oh, I totally forgot to change the amount. Why don't you guys tell me? Up to 110. Ugh! Oh, both lasers coming for you. Gonna be too fast. GDT. Carlo. Emmy. We got time for one more. That was actually a long losing attempt. Can't believe we had one. Neo got on there the very first race, and now we're not even gonna probably get one close the rest of the day. It's crazy. Crazy. Chart pulled all the way back. Now it's actually trying to move lower. See what it does at this 126, 127 area. Pretty obvious line there. Two previous resistance, one support now. See what happens. I am going to have the challenge account up on a separate screen. I'm only going to be trading one contract at the open if we get a move worth trading. Let's see. Volatility Vault. Let's go. Every time I see this name, it reminds me of volatility trading. But it's Volatility Vault. Ugh, no! I don't think I've seen that happen before either. How is there only 4 people left? We haven't even got to the end part. What is happening? Thought you... What is... Did that stay in? No, what is going on? What a horrible last race. Oh my. We're not even going to get to the bowl. No one's even going to get to the bowl. All right, Emmy. Emmy's got it. What is going on? This is crazy. Bet you he gets lasered. Oh. Oh. We didn't even make it to the bowl. What is that? That's crazy. This is a custom map somebody made. That's crazy. All right, gonna have to wait. Back in a short in GC 4336. Let's take a look. Yeah, I don't even know where we're at on that. Oh, yeah, I mean, that does look like it wants to roll over. Just be careful with the open here. Can you get max payout on Lightning funded while following the consistency rule? What do you mean like max payout? You can only get what? You can only get the max payout. Or is it possible if you get 4 days of 900? As long as your consistency rule is under 20% on the Lightning funded accounts, you're good. So if you make the same amount for 5 days, no matter what it is, that would be 20%. But the higher that number is, you obviously have to keep making that amount. But on a 50K account like the one I gave you, you just want to make like 1,000? No, max payout on those accounts are 2,000. They just changed it though. I think it goes up from there though. Oh, you want to create a map? You can, yeah. You just have to buy the builder's pass. It's like 50 cents. All right. Let's see what's going to happen here at the open. Heyo. Nice little pop up there. See if we can't extend away. Watching it on the challenge account here. Struggling. Go, go. Took a starter. Let's see if we can't get a pullback to 50 here. It's looking for 56 is all I'm looking for here. I'm in at 69. Thing is going like straight up. Dang, this one go. Yeah, might have to get an ad here. Did add, averages at 77 now, looking to get one of these out. All right, out one. I'm keeping my other one down near 50. Trying to see if we can get the bigger push down. Might take profit up just a little to 58. It's a pretty good move. Obviously taking a little riskier trade here at the open. See if we can get the pullback here. Like I said, looking for 58. Come on. Damn, popping right back up. It's not a good sign. Might have to just ditch this thing. I feel like the pullback would have came right there if we were going to get it. Damn, I was up like 250 there, but wanted more. Be careful here. Want it to get out of hand. Damn, I was green again there for a second. Come on. Come on. I have an order to get one out again at 179. Of course, it's teasing me here. Ugh, super tease. What a super tease that was. Went to 180. All right, well, this isn't looking great. What a move we got going here. Might just have to be patient with it. I don't want to just keep adding to it. Bring it down. Come on, bring it down. One red candle. 2 red candles would be nice. Man, they just keep buying this thing up. What a tease that was. It missed me by 4 ticks. And then it just did it again. We were green for a second. I'm trying to be patient because I was seeing if we could get the bigger pullback here. But it keeps getting bought up right in this spot. Maybe I... Now if I move my order to there, it's not going to come back down. We all know how this works. It's literally bouncing off my order. My order's at 179.25. And it came down there twice now and just bounced right off of it. Come on. At least give me that one. Get out. Lower the risk. I could take this one off, essentially break even, but I'm trying to make profit on this. Are you kidding me? Shot right back up. Sellers are trying. This might be a fake out if it tries lower. All right, got that one out. Hopefully it's not a fake out. Looking for the big push down here. Dang it, just not getting it. I want to see it pull back to the 50, but I don't want to let this just find some that, because that feels like a fake out now. So frustrating. Can't just get an easy trade every once in a while, making me work super hard for it. It's exactly what I said it was going to be, a fake out. It faked like it was going to finally break down and then got bought right up. I was hoping it would just flush, but here we are. Wow. Yep, here comes the breakout. I should have just took it all off, I guess. I'm not going to add just yet. I don't want to get too frisky here. It's very strong right now, so... Really strong open here. Is this really just gonna grind? Yeah. Couldn't get that flush. I should have just took the whole thing off once it didn't flush. That part's on me. Because now I'm sitting here battling a grinder. The dumbest thing ever. We're at 25,189. Nice. Well, not nice. It's not working. I was in profit there. Should have took it, I guess. It's on me. So now we're battling. Now we're battling. Come on, get down there. Doesn't want to flush. It keeps faking out to the downside. We need to get through 200 again if we want to work our way down. And now it just feels like it's faking out yet again. Which I'm not super surprised here, because I mean 200 was a resistance, now it's trying to act as support. Obviously need to get back through it. We want to work our way back down. Does not seem to be the current case. I got out one there, basically break even, see if we can't get a bigger push down. Got my stop at the highs now. I'm just gonna cut it if it gets back up there. I got I brought my order all the way up here to like 185 essentially, 184.75. Can't get that. Get a decent little win if it gets there. Every part of me wants to just take it off right here at break even, but went through the struggle here, and it looks like we might actually try to break down here, so I'm trying to give it a chance. Come on. Come on. There. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wicket. Wicket. Damn you. Come on. Wicket. Here you go. Go, 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 go. Oh, the wick just missed me. All right. I hit the button. My order was at 184.25. It went to 180 or 185, or it was 184.75. It went to 185.75. I took it off. Got out at 187.75, which was a good take because it popped right back up. So I'm up 325 and 96 cents on that account. That was a struggle bus trade. Had to really work for that one. Buyers are stepping in here. I know you can't see the trade because I don't want you guys taking that trade because it's not a good trade. I'm being much riskier on those trades. I'm hoping we get another move up because then I'd be interested to trade on the real account here. I'm currently in second place in that challenge. Me and Kellyanne are the only two that are funded at the moment. I think Bugatti said he'll be funded tomorrow. coming up near the end of the month, so I'm trying to see if we can't get a little bit going on in that so that we can hopefully win. Pretty cool. Let me scroll down and see if they say the winner gets. I don't even remember. Completely honest. There's $10,000 plus in cash prizes, $1 million plus an evaluation account giveaways, weekly prizes for the influencers, which we have, leaderboard updates. Yeah, so it's a matter of if I win. Let's see. There will be 2 leaderboards, an evaluation leaderboard and a funded sim leaderboard. All participants in the evaluation leaderboard will get participation giveaway regardless of their ranking. This is a 50K intraday evaluation giveaway. Oh, now it's going to break down. Junker. Then, based on their ranking, they will also get first at the end of the week is 150K intraday, second at the end of the week 100K, third at the end of the week 50K. Oh, I didn't even know that. I would have pressed to try to be in the top 3 to get an extra one for you guys. All participants in this funded sim leaderboard will receive the following on a weekly basis, regardless of their ranking. A 50K end of day. Oh, snap. So we need to stay funded. And then if we're first, second, or third, we also get an end of day, either 150K, 100K, or 50K. Dang. Okay. So we need to finish this week and next week, at least in the funded stage, and I'll be getting... oh, I was thinking, well, I would still get the intraday accounts. I guess maybe it just switches from intraday to end of day. Dang, I thought I was going to get like 4 accounts, but I guess not. Then based on their ranking at the end of the competition, 5K for first, prize money to the affiliate, and 5K prize money to their audience. Dang, let's go. Second gets 2.5K prize money to the affiliate and 2.5K prize money to their audience. And third is 1K prize money to the affiliate and 1K prize money to their audience. That's pretty cool. All right, so dude, if I can win 5K for you guys, or even like 2.5K, let's go. Or even 1K, top 3, sweet. I got a feeling a lot of these guys are just gonna keep blowing up anyway, trying to catch up. But we might have a real shot at this if we just play consistent. We tried to go lower, but bounced. Like, yeah, I would love to come in first, but I mean, playing for just top 3 just to get you guys some money, that'd be cool. Because then I would probably just add it to the marbles. I don't know how they would pay it out. Honestly, I'd rather them hold on to it and then like let me give it away to somebody, and then you win it like a day. Because I think if they send it directly to me, I would have to claim taxes on it. I don't want to claim I don't want to have to claim taxes on 5K and then give you 5K. You know, I'd probably have to only give you half of it.
Winning.
If that's the case. Donovan, ooh wee. GDT says, "Can I get half of that?" I mean, I might just keep all of it. I don't know how they would. I don't know how they would do it. So it obviously is up to them. But I'm sure some of them like max shorted right here on the chart, and they probably had like max position size and they got raped. The market said, "Gimme your money." I didn't even realize there's 21 of us. I think some of these other guys just gave up. They didn't even reset the account. Wait, is this right? Oh, that was... Oh no, that's right. Yeah, if you guys want to look into that at all, here's the link. Locked in for half. Great, thanks. No problem. You don't need half. You're rich. See that house you just built? All right, here we go. Gotta push up through 50. I'm interested in the main account here. Watching on the challenge account, maybe to get to 50, I might try to a little bit obscure trade if it wants to give it to us. But nope, so far just grinding away. Grindy, grindy, grindy. Are we above that previous high? Oh, we are. We did break it. So now we're headed back to all-time highs here. What was the high of this candle? 180 essentially was the high of that previous pullback. Oh yeah, we broke it. So maybe that's why that was a key area, that 180. This is off the daily. Yeah, that line's right off the daily, that 180 line. I love I love when people say I have not lied once in my entire life. Fuck out of here. Morning. That's why I need half, because you built the house. That's funny. Maybe you shouldn't have built the fucking house then. Fucking fault's that, bro? A little speck. Every time I look that way, the light, like, hits it. Oh yeah, I think I need to be careful with get some trades on my other accounts. You open up another instance of Trade-Evade here. Log into my fund of futures. They scare me. Yeah, the 14th was the last time I took a trade on my fund. If I just take a risky trade and we're almost at payout on my fund of futures. Where does it tell you? Okay, yeah, minimum trading days. Good there. Minimum account, don't anywhere. Minimum account balance lock? I don't know what that means. Minimum withdrawal amount, at least 250. Oh, we could already withdraw. But then our buffer would be gone. We must have 5 days with at least $100 in profit. There's the kicker. How are you supposed to do that with only one? And because it's you can only use one contract until you get up to $1,000. Such crap. I'm not a huge fan of how my fund of futures does it. The rule, like the way that they like get you, it's so frustrating. They like make you. They essentially make you trade micros when you first get to the funded stage. Kind of frustrating. And I think it's only one, like you can trade one mini, but then you can only trade, I think, 5 micros. At least you don't have a penis bowl. But everybody wants the penis bowl. Fuck it up. All right, what do I want to do? Take a trade here on my funded futures. So I want to go long. Maybe we just go long one contract and see what happens. I can always try to buy myself out of it if we start to pull back. Like that. All right, I am long 1 micro. Just got in. 222.25. I'm gonna hopefully let it go to the highs here, and then I'm gonna put a stop in at break even, and hope to just catch a runner. Worst case scenario, I got my trade to keep my account active. Stop's already in at break even. I don't want to let it go back against me at this point. It's trying to do exactly what I wanted it to do here. So either it does it now, like that, or we're out. All right, stop at break even. I'm just going to leave it there. It's at 223.75. Either we catch like a crazy good runner and maybe we make $100, or we don't. And we just break even and we keep our account active. It looks like we're just keeping our account active. Up $1.10, baby. All right, Xing out that. Futures desk, I think we're okay on for now. Last trade there was the 17th. Yeah, we're fine there. Ooh, good thing we got out. Good thing we got out. I'm really not sure what strategy I want to take on the challenge account, because I know that everyone else is probably going to just start YOLOing the crap out of it, even in the funded stage. I mean, Nutty Bar and Canadian Futures Trader or whatever, they were already funded and they already blew the accounts. So obviously they're going for like big amounts to try to pull away. So it's like, do I just try to make $300 to $500 a day and be happy with it, and just hopefully everyone else kind of busts out type deal? I feel like the last thing I want to do is like get to the end and be like, oh, I'm only in second place, and like somebody's like 2,000 in front of me, and try to just YOLO the crap out of it and then blow up and not get anything, you know? But then you also risk, if there's other people that are funded doing that and being successful, and we're not getting anything to begin with. So I don't know. It's pretty interesting. It's definitely interesting. Oh, starting to bounce. Have you taken any trades today? I took a couple trades at the open on the challenge account. I have not taken any on the funded accounts. I assume you be like the turtle and beat Bugs Bunny? Yeah, I mean, I'm thinking that might work. It really depends on this week, though, I think. How many more days of this do we got? We got this week and next week. So we got 2 weeks. Right now, there's only me and Kelly that are funded. There's one person that's going to be funded tomorrow. No one else is funded yet. So it's a matter of what happens when these people get funded. Are they just going to keep YOLOing like they were in the evals? So that's where it's going to become interesting. Here we go, back to the highs. If we can't get a big move up through 250, that's what I'm looking for here. All right, trying again. After whatever happens here, we'll get marbles rolling. Sorry. I've been trading minis. Yeah, I've been feeling a lot more confident with trading minis. The only thing I've been trading micros on is that my funded futures account, because I can only trade one mini. I can't scale in. Boring. How do you manage drawdown or blow up when adding? When going against you? I have a set dollar amount. Most accounts now come with daily loss limits. And if they don't come with daily loss limits, I'll hard set it into the platform. That number is kind of based off of what you're comfortable with losing on a daily basis. So don't ask me what that number is, because it would change for everybody depending on your strategy, your consistency, your profitability, etc. Like it's always different. It really is dependent on you and how you trade your system. You either hit 1K or you lose 1K. I mean, some people do it that way, though. Some people have a 1-to-1 like that. You better have a pretty high win percentage, like 65, 70% if you're going to do that, though. Yeah, you could also flip accounts. That's what that our FSP? Yeah, FSP. That's what he does. That guy would never be a real trader because he literally blows accounts on purpose. But he's playing the prop game, which it works. If you want to trade that way, my goal is to be a consistent actual trader, not to play the game. Like, I want to make money, and if for some reason prop firms were to disappear tomorrow, know that I can still make money. Where his goal is to just try to make as much money as possible by exploiting the prop firms. Oh man, we are just hugging that EMA. Let me get marbles up and rolling. Need to do something. This is boring. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 10 minutes. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Smack it like your life depends on it. I'm gonna call my dad real quick, so I'm gonna mute the mic. I'll be right back.
some milk.
Welcome to the jungle, bitch!
That don't make no sense.
Oh, and just one more thing. Oh, and just one more thing. Oh, and just one more thing. He doesn't quit, man. I love my dad. You know, didn't have the best childhood with him. So it's like I always try to make an effort to not cut him short. But man, once he gets talking, it's like you feel trapped. Well, I guess today all you had to do is hit the long button at some point, which I did right here, and we got stopped out. Unfortunately, it had this little pullback. If I would have gotten long after that, we would have been good to go. I thought this was the fake out, so I got long, came back up, failed to make the high, stopped me out, and then it looked good, like a good stop out in the moment, but then it caught support and hasn't looked back yet. Sorry, Justin. All I want to do now is win. No, I'm just kidding. All I want to do now is be done with the stream and go play Arc Raiders, and I can't. It's sad. Maybe I'll have to like actually go work out today or something. All right, let's play marbles. I know most of you probably aren't even here anymore, but let's roll it. Let me make sure everybody's in. Yes, sir, Tony. You're exactly right. Kind of how I feel about it. All right, Don, GDT, Emmy, Donovan. I think I have to add Donovan. Wasn't here for the first one. Donald, Waffles. Waffles? You still in here, Waffles? What's up, man? Yeah, sorry. That call took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. Need he? I got you in there. Wawa, you're good. Carlo. Yeah, Carlo, you're in there. Gonzalez. What's up, Gonzalez? I was sitting here staring at the charts the whole time and nothing. Is this for an account? No, I think I'm going to wait till tomorrow to give the account away. I'm watching safety videos for work, so I stay occupied. I feel you. All right, open. Yeah, I'm just not. Honestly, I'm just not in the mood, and we kind of lost the momentum of the stream. So we'll run this twice, and I'm gonna get out of here because I got a bunch of stuff to do anyway. All right, let's get it. Chart's attempting to make a new high, but I have no assumptions that it's gonna like break away, do something crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make some sort of video today. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but hey, I need to get something going. O's. Go O's. Where was I that we just did the O chant? And we're... What was that? Oh! Bounce back! No! Trying to remember, we just went somewhere. What can't go to? I remember it was like awkward because we were wondering if people were gonna say it or not. Right down the middle, Donovan. Not anymore, but a big bounce. This track is hard. All right, oh, that's some balls to the face. Where are you going, dude? You're like floating in the air. Oh, profit per tick. Oh, I thought you got balls to the face too, but you're just in the bowl. You're good. Ugh. Oh, 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 oh! This actually has a shot because it's gonna hit up top. Get over there! No, it went through the wickets but didn't get. RGDT. Thought you had a shot there. Thought you had a legit shot there. My wife just came downstairs, peed, flushed the toilet. It got stuck. I can hear it still going. And then she left. Z taking balls to the face like we all know he does. For real. We'll play one more time. We literally got on the rails the very first race and then not again since. Sucks. Last one. Then I'm gonna get out of here. I will be back tomorrow, same time, same place. I haven't shuffled chips today. Let's shuffle chips. Maybe that'll give us a little something something. This chart is hard to look at. Grindy grind. Grindy grindy. Oh, breaking trend. Is this a pullback? Highly doubt it. No, well, obviously it's a pullback. It's actually gonna pull back. Van shit. That's good, I think. You're on the track. You're on the track. You got a shot. Oh. I don't know if that's good or bad. The laser's not good. Literally went right into the laser. That's crazy. Oh, he's speed running it down the middle. Not quite. There's GDT again. Didn't hit it. I thought you were going to hit it. Volatility vault. Oh. 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 We got two more shots. We got Josh and we got Don. See if Don can even make it past the lasers. Nope. Josh, you're our last hope. And he takes a ball to the face. That kind of day. That kind of day. Jeez, the trades we took were all the way down here and we were short. Imagine still holding a short. You're down 300 or 100 points. That's crazy. That's assuming you didn't add it all either. Crazy. All right, I'm out of here. I will see you guys tomorrow. I appreciate all of you. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace.